Sunphone demo, accepting call on agent's extension. Agent CH35757 is logged into Sunphone on extension 88899. A call will be made to extension 88899 and the agent will use Sunphone to accept the call. When a call comes in for the agent, either the line 1, line 2 or the line 3 buttons will light up. So in this case, a call is coming on line 1. You can either click line 1 or the top button to take the call. There is no attached data in this call because this is a direct call to the agent extension. There is no CTI involved.